Around 13.3 million pesos worth of properties were razed during 2 fire incidents in Cebu City on Sunday, March 6, 2022. The first incident happened in the house of Renato Diaz, a Salinas Drive extension in Barangay Lahug at 3:45 p.m., which spread to 7 other nearby houses. 8 families or 40 individuals were affected, and damages were estimated to be at 3.7 million pesos. The Cebu City Fire Office is still investigating the cause of the said fire. Less than an hour after, another fire incident was reported in Sitio Inahan sa Kanunayng Panabang, Barangay San Antonio, raising 17 homes, which includes 4 ancestral houses that have been built in the 1940s. The fire allegedly started at the house of Vicente Riston, which affected 16 other homes, reaching 9.6 million pesos worth of damages. Most of the fire victims were not able to save a single item as the flames spread quickly.
Tapos lawas na yun.
Bisa tanan yun?
Ang ako lang yung short pants, kuan. Lainnes, ako na ning anak. Tanan ako kuan, katagayunan niya, hurot ang mga upat ka file ako nga karton hurot. Mga puros to mga sinina.
Wa gyud. Zero gyud. Wa gyud mi nagkuan. Tapot lawas gyud among na kuha. Kay dali kayo ang kayo ni kuan 15 minutes blue dayon gikan pagsugod.
Barangay San Antonio Captain 𝗍𝗶𝗍𝗍𝗍 said that as of now, they are still relying on the assistance coming from the Department of Social Welfare and Services since most of their barangay councilors are also victims of the fire. The affected residents are temporarily taking shelter at Barangay Cugon Ramos Gym.
Di wa pa ta ka overcome sa bagyo na nasan ning sunog. So mao na nga salig pa Miss DSWS. Para di sad mag-abot ang mga ayuda ba kana bitang mag-overlap. Ako lang siyang gipauna ang DSWS. After that one, maybe magawas ng ayuda gikas barangay.
Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama already inspected both fire sites this Monday, March 7, and assured the affected residents that help is on the way.
Nag-meeting gibalo na si Portia, and Portia knows that time is of the essence, and then Esther Concha from the office of the mayor is overseeing that matter, and I will remind her.
He also suggested that firefighters station themselves in fire-prone areas in the city so that they can respond immediately to these incidents.
Remind all fire station to be stationed. Standby na daan sila sa mga fire-prone area. Especially inig-abot yun kamo init. Karon dili pa man. Kana yung mo init kay inig-init yun mo na sa igara sa sunog.
The responding firefighters in Barangay San Antonio's incident admitted that they found it difficult to put out the flames quickly because of the narrow roads in the area.
Medyo gamay lisod to gamay sa San Antonio kay gamay magkasada nga tugid sa Don Pedro Coy, pero masodo man gyapon atong fire truck nato, pero sa to sa may interior dapit maglisod na kita sulod dito dapita. So nagtabuan to gasumpay-sumpay lang gyapon mismo mga host namo, mga around more or less na pulo ka host siguro among gasumpay-sumpay para maabot na mo ang fire scene.
This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.